Hi, my name is Matt Ramage, and today we are here in my studio. We're based in Riversdale, right near the downtown here in Saskatoon. We are a production house, so we do photography, videography, and design work here. So being an entrepreneur wasn't a thing I wanted to be, and it was the part I actually hated the most about what I do. I really just wanted to take pictures and make a living off of it, be creative, and so probably would have preferred to work for someone, or but it's just those kind of opportunities weren't around when I was starting. To do the thing I wanted to do, which was be creative, I had to do the thing I didn't want to do, which was, the business side. So I didn't quite appreciate that. Having a team is really fun. That's been probably the most rewarding part of this whole venture, is having people to work with and collaborate. So on a normal day, we work 8 to 4:30. We do photography, we do video for our clients. And so we are a team that offers these, and we focus in a few different areas, like photograph weddings and film weddings, but we also photograph and film corporate work for growing businesses and show off their best side. So typical day really ranges. If it's the middle of winter, we're like in the studio typically, making videos in the studio, photographing in the studio. In the summer it ramps up a little bit. We do more like weddings and family sessions, and so that's more like evening and weekend work. So it does change a little bit, but on a day-to-day, typically I'll come in like Monday to Friday. Typically I'm here at like 8 a.m. There's always stuff to do, whether it's our own personal projects or projects for our clients, or even the bookkeeping and stuff like that. My favorite part about being an entrepreneur is the people. They come to me with a problem they want to solve, and we get to be part of that solution, and it's like very fun to go through that process. We're trying to help them get what they want, trying to make something really neat and cool. I guess as an entrepreneur, it's like the best businesses are the ones who can solve problems of their clients. Being an entrepreneur is very challenging at times. As you grow, you have success, but you also have like failure on like an equal level. So you just play at a higher level. A company that can make millions and millions of dollars a year can also lose millions and millions a year. But the challenge is the fun part, and one of the things we do as a company is we do quarterly planning, and we have like weekly meetings and daily meetings with our team, and we have a goal we're aiming at, have a big picture, have a plan. Some advice for people who want to be an entrepreneur: I don't think you should borrow money from family if you can avoid it, and if you do, don't make it a lot, and don't go all in either. Like if you go all in, you want something that proves itself, you want something that makes you a living. When you go all in, you're likely to take more risks. Starting out with a plan, think of where you want to get to, work towards that. The secret weapon that I'm really thankful for is people in my life who I've been able to meet, like other entrepreneurs or just other business owners. You don't want just people to say yes all the time. You need people who like have a second rational thought for you. With my friends, we did a advisory board, and that was one thing that was like one of the best things.